Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the demo of my project, Leaf Classification. First I'm going to introduction part. There are estimated to be nearly 500,000 of species in the world, and classification of plants have been historically difficult and often result in duplicate identifications. Therefore, automating plant recognition might have many applications, including species population tracking and preservation, plant-based medicinal research, crop and food supply management. And for our task is to use binary leaf images and extracted features, including shape, margin, and texture to identify 99 species of leaves. And here is our dataset. The dataset consists approximately 1,600 leaf images of 16 samples, each 99 species, which have been converted to binary black leaves against white backgrounds. And we randomly separate these images into training set and dataset, and also 3 sets of features are also provided per image. And Figure 1 shows the examples of our data images. Then I'm going to talk about our convolutional neural network models. As known, convolutional neural network is one of the most common methods in deep learning. It is a supervised learning technique using labels to classify images. Compared with the traditional neural network, CNN has lower performance and easier to look at the detailed process of feature extraction. And in my project, we built a 2-layers CAM network, carving with Keras functional API, following 2 fully connected layers, using activation functions ReLU and softmax, and also zero padding. And here is a CAM models of 2 layers. And then I will also talk about some CNN impairments. The input data image is a gray image with dimension 96 x 96. After the input, we designed the first CAM layer using 8 5x5 kernels. Then the image size changed to 100x100 because of zero padding. Next, we use a 2x2 max pooling layer in order to design and get an image size 50x50. And also, after the second CAM layer and another max pooling layer, we finally reduce the image size to 27x37. Next goes to experiment results. The total apex we use is 100 for the reason that after that we found the loss is almost stable, rarely changing. We got the best loss at apex 89, which loss is 0.00073. And also we save the network in the submit CS way. Look at figure 5. You can see that column A is the image adding number, and column B to the end are the different kinds of species. The numbers represent the probability of whether the image can be classified to this species or not. And we can see that in red rectangle, image 68 had a strong probability to be classified as species Acer 39. And then we want to visualize our CNN processing. And first, let's look at figure 6. It's the input image number 47. And for the first CAM layer, we can store detail most of the filters that are doing age detection on the leaves. This is actually very meaningful because almost all the leaves of the particular species of information are stored in the shape of their ages. And the second convolution layer is also mainly edge detection as well as sum point and edge shape detection. And I also noticed that some names have a special shape. This is actually very common for ConvNets. The first few layers will do something simple, such as edge and shape detection, but the deeper, the more abstract features you will get. And total in conclusion, we proposed a two layers convolution neural models covering the extracted features MLP and trained the entire model end-to-end using Keras functional API to solve the classification. And after training process, we got a great result with lowest loss. And in addition to make singing and training program easy to understand, we also visualize feature extraction and find that the deeper, the more abstract features you will get. And then I will show you the code.